Struggling to change the footer button text and link on your Namecheap site? In 2 minutes, I'll show you exactly how. So here's the plan. First, we'll open up your site inside the Namecheap website builder. Then I'll walk you through every single click to get that footer customized exactly the way you want it. All right, let's dive in. Start by navigating to your Namecheap dashboard and opening your site in the website builder. This is where the magic happens. You'll see your full site laid out in the editor, ready for you to make changes. Now, scroll all the way down to the bottom of your page until you see the footer section. Just go ahead and click on the footer area itself. That will open up the footer settings on the left-hand side of your screen. This is where all the footer links live. Inside the footer settings, you'll see a few default options, probably labeled Link 1, Link 2, and so on. Go ahead and click on the first link you want to edit. This will open up the editing panel for that specific button. Now, here's where it gets a little specific. You're going to click on the text area of the button itself. This highlights the text so you can edit it. It might take a second for the text box to become active. Just click right on the existing text until you see a blinking cursor or the text is highlighted in blue. With the text now highlighted, go ahead and type in your new button text. Maybe you want it to say, "Contact us," or "Shop now." Whatever fits your brand. And here's a little tip from experience. Keep it short and punchy. Buttons with 1 to 3 words tend to look the cleanest and get clicked the most. Once you've got the text perfect, it's time to change where that button goes. Look for the link URL field right below the text box. Click into that field and paste or type in the web address you want the button to lead to. This could be another page on your site, like an About page, or an external link. Just make sure the full URL is in there, starting with the HTTPS part. Got that in? Great. Now, just click the blue Continue button. This saves the changes you made to that specific link. You'll see the footer update right before your eyes. Now, you just repeat that same process for any other links in your footer. Click on the next link, edit the text, update the URL, and hit Continue. Do this for all the links you want to customize. And yeah, it's the exact same steps every time. So once you've done it once, you're a pro. All right, you're almost done. All those changes are saved in the editor, but they're not live on your website yet. So go ahead and click the bright orange Publish button in the top right corner of the screen. This might take a moment to process, but once it's done, your site will be updated with your new professional-looking footer buttons. And that's it. You've gone from being stuck with generic default buttons to confidently customizing your footer to match your brand. That's the kind of control that really makes your site feel like yours. Thanks for following along, and go make that footer work for you.